Hi, I'm David Wood, and I work with eLawyersLive.com. Recently, I received a phone call from a young lady who told me that her boyfriend had been taking flying lessons, and one night he was practicing landings and takeoffs, and as he was coming around to make another landing, the engine quit, and he crashed. He crashed into a local building and sustained a serious injury. Luckily, he survived. The National Transportation Safety Board investigated this accident and issued their report. They said pilot error. They said he must have run out of fuel. He was absolutely convinced that he had not run out of fuel because he knew that he fueled that airplane up that afternoon before he went flying. So after he was out of the hospital, he and his girlfriend began contacting lawyers. She visited 4 lawyers, and all of them said, the National Transportation Safety Board said he ran out of fuel, therefore it must have been his fault, and they rejected the case. That's when she submitted her case to eLawyersLive.com. And eLawyersLive.com referred the case to me for review because I've been flying airplanes for 35 years, and I knew that there was something more to this than just running out of fuel. See, because when he crashed, there was fuel all over the roof of this building that he crashed into. With this in mind, I initiated an investigation of why that airplane crashed. We investigated the engine, we looked at the fuel lines, and we looked at the fuel pump. Yes, it was the fuel pump. The fuel pump had been overhauled and put back together incorrectly, and that's what caused that airplane to stop running that night. After identifying the cause of the crash, we knew that a lawsuit was justified. So therefore we filed a lawsuit in the federal district court. And fortunately we were able to obtain compensation for him that should take care of him for the rest of his life. It's very important to have the right lawyer for the right case, and eLawyersLive.com can provide that lawyer for you. So if you've had an injury or an accident, submit your case to eLawyersLive.com. You'll be glad you did.